amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel, y'all. We are on a road trip. We've got the doggos in the back, we've got the boot empty, ready for collection for a machine. Now obviously you're going to know what it is by the title, but yeah, it's another Softwave. So I'm off picking this up from Ben, because if you remember earlier in this year I had a Softwave that needed a new bearing set and seal and everything, and we just couldn't get it done. It was a nightmare trying to get the bearings out. Then the bearings, they would fit, but you just couldn't get a seal anywhere. It was just ugh. So anyway, so as you would have seen from that video, that machine was used as a donor machine for parts. So I got a lovely message, or Phil did, regarding the Softwave, and I said, oh, if it's available, I would definitely like to buy it, because I did use the Softwave a couple of times before we attempted to change the bearings, but unfortunately, obviously, it would be nice to have another one as and when, if it came up, in no rush. So this one did, so I was like, yeah, brilliant. So we are on our way to go pick it up. So see you guys in a minute. Enjoy the scenery. Okay guys, we have picked it up. It is there in the back, strapped in. Doggos are there, if you can see them. Hello doggos, sitting very neatly and tidily. Like, what the hell is that scrap in the back of the machine? So anyway, let's crack on with the journey home. Okay, we've just got back home. I got the machine there in the back of the car. So quickly, before it gets too dark, there's a little bit of surface rust there, which is fine. I can sort that out. Wheels on the back, it's very clean on the inside. You can see there the motor. Ben said the brushes on it are fine. As you can see, look at the sump, that's lovely and clean. It's a really good example, just very little wear on it. He said it hadn't been used very much. And yeah, now we have the tub. And everything's fine. Right, let's get it, excuse me, back, oh sorry, let's get it out, and I'll come back to you tomorrow. I'm just going to get it in the workshop for now. Okay, so we are in the workshop, and it's been literally, I've had it there for about 3 weeks sitting there, the Softwave. And I've been waiting for this person to come up and get it set up. So let me turn you around and I'll tell you what we're going to do. Right, okay, so we've now finished with the hot point. So it's going to go, and we're going to put the Softwave there in its place. So what we're going to do very quickly is just get all of this sorted out and get rid of the hot point, which I will do now in time lapse. Right, okay, so as you would have seen there, we've got the hot point out. We have now got the Softwave plumbed in. Yeah, so we need to do the first test. So let me get the extension cable and we'll try it in a minute. Right, okay, let's do a spin test first. Where's the spin? It just needs a little bit of cleaning up and a bit of retrobrighting. Wow, one that works, yay! a ghost of the old ones here. Come on. So this is after the washer dryer one I got there, is it?
Yeah. This is the range after, yeah.
But before the Performer and the...
So the one I had off you, the AC, whatever it was, 327, that came after this, but that came before. So it's that range.
Yes, then that range, this range, and then remember I had one and you had one and we made a good one. It was Performer and...
what
was it called?
One's a Performer, one was a...
The Performer had the green, that one had the blue. There was Performer and...
Easy something, wasn't it?
No. I brought it up and Chris put the Performer guts in one for
I
the other.
I know what it is.
Yeah.
What it is.
I'm trying to... Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do a rinse, which is Cotton's rinse number 5. 5.
XL.
XL, that's it.
Let's Google it because my brain's gone. Oh, film films are new, they said. They are cool, it's just a gimmick.
What we're going to do then is I'm going to put it on a tub clean. I don't know whether I should risk putting it on a 95.
I don't see why not.
Don't want to mash. Should I do a 95?
I don't know.
Perhaps I should just put it on a 60
Yeah.
with a bit of detergent or something. Because it doesn't look manky.
No.
So we got wool, half load, crease guard, on off, dial, pecker, 1100 Softwave, pre-wash whites, fast colours, non-fast colours, cotton rinse, fast spin, white nylon, minimum iron, delicate woolens, cool wash, synthetic rinse, slow spin. Synthetic rinse, does that put a bit of hot in it, does it?
No, it's just a more gentle rinse.
Ah, right.
I was just looking at this. Do you know how on the other one, your other one, this was like modular?
Yeah.
This isn't. This is just a detail.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, you can't take that off by the look of it. Huh. Yeah, on the other one, this whole little bit here was an insert. Because it's cheaper.
It'll be better, they said. Right, okay, here goes.
It's like a waterfall. I'd be nervous if you said that.
Did you had me nervous as well? That's all right. Let's move it along to drain. Check the pump.
We just did.
But now with water. Yeah, it's fine. Wow. There we go, pumped out.
Spin.
Oh yeah. Let's see how it spins.
should be
Is it a FAFA or is it a sort of like a pulse on
It
a
should just
FAF?
get on with it. To a point.
Bit of a wobble, but sounds nice.
Just keep an eye on that wobble, that's all.
Right. What we're going to do now is I'm going to set up the camera on time lapse to do a 60, just to rinse it out, yeah, freshen it up, and then I'll do some laundry in it later. So, right, see you guys in a minute. But yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice inside. Doesn't smell bad either, and the door seal's not too bad either.
I don't get why they made it so big, this gap between them.
Right, okay, I'll set you up and do a time lapse. Okay, so it's about 10 years newer, but I'm going to use one of these old bowl 2-in-1 capsules. If you could do tablets, if you could, yeah. If you could do the honours and just take one out.
Yeah, powdered tablets when you could get them. I miss these.
So do I. I love those tablets.
Do you want to just put it straight in the drum?
Just one.
In the drum?
Oh, yeah, go on then. Right, I just wanted to add that in before I switch it on. Okay, there we go. It is on one of the rinses. I'm not going to let it go any further. It needs a bit of a wipe. It's got some lime skill, got some kill rock on that. But yeah, it's working really well. Sounds really good. Is it going to do a spin, do you reckon?
Yeah, it should do.
Pump sounds fine. I like that chug on pump. Come on. Maybe not. Oh yeah. Okay, turn it off. Okay guys, there we go. That is the Hoover Softwave 1100 with the badge of Madge on it. It's just the Auto Washer 1100. So there we go. Thank you, Phil, for helping me set it up. Thanks to Ben for letting me buy it off him, and I'll see you guys in the next episode because I'm going to do a wash in it later, so I'll put that up after this video. So we'll see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.